Hey guys,
one right
I'm here with Crimson Bandit, and who are you?
Jackson Linder.
Jackson Linder, and you know me.
No,
And
Linder!
we have found a nuke in the new moon map, and we're gonna try it out. Okay, we got this. Okay,
Yeah.
let's go.
Okay, ready?
Yep, we got
Okay, I'm using it.
Yeah. Say like and subscribe.
Okay, we're going.
Okay, come on.
Now again!
Oh, okay, use it. Do you need it?
I'm out. No! Give me one.
Bro, we gotta do this again. I don't think we did it right. Or wait, yes we did. Yes we did.
We're still
Let's
going.
go. We're
still going.
going.
Okay, I need another one. I need another one.
Well, that was how to do it. Oh crap. And that was how to do the fine glitch in the new moon map. Hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe.